Hey, it's Chris Capp with Lucre & Co. And if you've been Googling, how do I buy a house? You're not alone. Most buyers think it's complicated, but it's actually a really clear process when someone lays it out simply. So let me walk you through it step by step. It doesn't have to be confusing. If you want to go from where do I start to keys in hand, here's the exact step-by-step process. Step one, you need to get pre-approved. Pre-approved for a mortgage, so not just pre-qualified. So before you fall in love with a house, you need to talk to a great local lender like Bruce Woodburn, and he's going to help you understand a couple of things here: what you can afford, what your monthly payment is going to look like, and what programs or down payment options you're going to qualify for. And this also is going to make sellers take you seriously when you submit that offer. Step two, you are going to work with the right realtor. You want someone who educates you, negotiates for you, and protects you. Not just someone who opens the doors. Your agent should be able to explain the market, set you some expectations, and walk you through every single step and every line of the paperwork if that's what you want or need. Step three, house shopping. Now's the fun part. We're going to tour houses, we're going to compare neighborhoods, we're going to look at the conditions versus the value of the houses, and we're going to make sure that that house fits your life, not just your budget. Step four, you're going to make an offer. Once you find the one, we're going to put together a competitive offer, and that's going to include the price, your earnest money, which is your deposit, the inspection period, and any concessions or terms that help you win without overpaying, and setting up your closing date, which is the day you get to move in. All these things are crammed into a 13-page legal document that we call the offer. Step five, inspection and the appraisal. This is where we slow down and we protect you. The inspection is going to tell you what's going on behind the walls. The appraisal makes sure that you're not overpaying. If anything major pops up, we negotiate, we fix it, or we give you a credit at the closing, or we can walk away. Step six, loan process and underwriting. Your lender locks in your interest rate, finalizes the paperwork, and gets you the clear to close. And meanwhile, we're coordinating the title, insurance, and all the boring behind-the-scenes stuff so you don't have to stress out. And step seven, closing day. You sign, you get the keys, we take a cheesy picture, and you officially own the house. So it's time to buy plants, decorations, a lawnmower, and some storage containers. So buying a house doesn't have to feel overwhelming when you have a simple plan and the right guidance. If you're thinking about buying in Oviedo or the Orlando area, send me a message. I'd love to walk you through it and make it easy. Like and subscribe below, and call Chris Capp. See ya.